Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how the Tesla Powerwall works. The Tesla Powerwall is essentially a large, rechargeable lithium-ion battery designed to store energy for home use. Its main purpose is to give you control over your home's energy supply, whether you have solar panels or not. Here's the simple breakdown of how it works. Energy storage and sources. The Powerwall is installed on a wall, usually outside, and connects to your home's electrical system and a device called the backup gateway. This gateway is the system's brain. It monitors energy use and manages the power flow. The Powerwall stores electricity from two main sources. Solar panels. During the day, your solar panels often generate more electricity than your home needs. Instead of exporting all that excess back to the grid, the Powerwall captures and stores it for later. The grid. If you don't have solar, or if you're on a variable rate electricity plan, the Powerwall can charge directly from the utility grid when electricity prices are low, typically overnight. Powering your home. When do you use this stored energy? At night, when the sun goes down, your home automatically switches from using solar power to drawing stored energy from the Powerwall. This lets you power your home with clean, stored energy rather than expensive grid electricity, a mode called self-powered. Peak times. If your utility has higher rates during certain hours, the Powerwall can discharge during those peak times to keep your costs down, utilizing a feature called time-based control. Seamless backup power. The most crucial function is backup power. If a power outage or blackout occurs, the backup gateway instantly detects the grid failure. It then seamlessly disconnects your home from the grid and starts powering your essential circuits directly from the Powerwall. This switch happens so quickly, in milliseconds, that you might not even notice the lights flicker. The Powerwall keeps your lights, refrigerator, Wi-Fi, and other critical appliances running until the utility grid is restored or until the battery runs out of charge. If you have solar panels, they will continue to charge the Powerwall during the day while the grid is down, providing ongoing power security. In short, the Tesla Powerwall is an intelligent home battery that charges when energy is abundant and cheap and discharges when you need it most, providing cost savings and essential backup power. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.